In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with HubSpot deals. Whether you're new to customer relationship management systems or transitioning over to HubSpot, this guide will walk you through setting up deals in HubSpot's CRM. By the end, you'll have a foundational understanding of how to create and manage your deals, ensuring you're on track to optimize your sales process. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to navigate to HubSpot's user guide. This can be found on their website, appna2.hubspot.com. This is your gateway to accessing all the tools and resources HubSpot offers. As you're navigating through the site, keep an eye out for detailed guides and resources that can further your understanding beyond just deals. Once you've made your way to the user guide, locate and click on the CRM section. HubSpot CRM is the core customer management tool that lets you maintain all your contacts, companies, and deals in one place. This is where you'll spend a lot of your time managing the various aspects of your sales process. Now that you're in the CRM, find and click on the Deals tab. Deals in HubSpot are essentially records of sales opportunities. They help you track where a potential sale stands in the process, from the first interaction to closing the deal. Once in the Deals section, you're ready to create a new deal. Next, click on the Create button. This action allows you to start setting up a new deal. It's important to remember that creating detailed and organized deal records will help you manage your sales pipeline more effectively. Once you've initiated the creation process, a form will appear. This form requires several pieces of vital information. The first field you'll encounter is the deal name. Click on it. It's a good practice to use a naming convention that includes the name of the client or project. This will ensure clarity and consistency. After choosing a deal name, move on to the pipeline option. Clicking on Pipeline allows you to assign this deal to a specific sales funnel. Depending on your sales strategy, you might have different pipelines for various product lines or team cohorts. This categorization will streamline your sales tracking and reporting. Next, you'll want to select the deal stage. Clicking here will let you assign the current status of the deal, like prospecting or closed won. Proper staging within your pipeline ensures precise forecasting and prioritization for your sales team. Following this, click on Amount. This field requires the value of the deal, which is crucial for revenue prediction. Be sure you double-check this number for accuracy, as it directly impacts your financial overview and goal setting. Finally, once all fields are filled out, click Create again. Congratulations! You've just set up your first deal in HubSpot. You can now track its progress and continue refining your sales strategies using HubSpot's analytics and tools. Remember, getting comfortable with this process is key to fully leveraging HubSpot for efficient and effective sales management.